and welcome to Goblin Hill Villas at Sand. My name is Mark Goodman. I'm a director of the hotel. Here we are, as you can see, overlooking incredible Sand Bay and Princess Nina Aga Khan's Island. And this is the setting for this hotel. We're now in our 50th year this year. We're about 10 minutes east of Port Antonio, which is kind of the center of Portland on the eastern side of Jamaica. And it's just an incredible setting. It's right between the Blue Mountains and this incredible sea right here. One of the best places to dive in Jamaica as well. We have 28 huge villas. They're 1,600 square feet. They have a kitchen with them. We have the two newest tennis courts in Jamaica. And we sit on 11 acres of gardens and lush zoysia grass lawns. And it's perfectly situated among 7 different beaches. So we really see Goblin Hill as a place to explore the area. We want to see the parking lot empty every day. And it does. We have fabulous beaches around us and some of the most famous other recreational sites in Jamaica, including Reach Falls, this incredible waterfall you can walk up, and rafting on the Rio Grande, which takes bamboo rafts down this incredible river. It was started by Errol Flynn. And that's probably one of the most famous tourist attractions in the entire Caribbean.